pour a load of beer in a big bucket, and you have a shot of beer every minute. It doesn't sound much, but if you do 100, it gets you hammered. We all did it. Well, Algie got drunk. He only lasted about 50, and he fell asleep and was snoring like that. And we had these bloody pork scratchings, like frazzles or pork scratchings, and we would plonk them on his head. We had two on his head like horns, with one on his nose, one on each ear. We managed, because he fell asleep like this, we managed to get on his lip. It was hilarious.
She fell asleep reading the paper guys.
Have you been cooking bacon?
Yeah. No, she's just snoring now. She looks.
It's a good laugh as a drinking game.
Yeah. It's nearly a minute gone. Oh my god. She's really into snoring, isn't she? Right, yeah, I'll stop it now. See you guys later. Bye.